If you're on Medicaid and you're getting ready to turn 65, do you have to take Medicare? Should you take Medicare? Will it help you? And the answer is no, you don't have to. But in practice, you kind of do have to. And yes, it typically will help you. So Medicaid is for low-income seniors. When they get eligible for Medicare at 65, you might automatically be enrolled in Medicare. Who's automatically enrolled? Only people that have been on Social Security at least 4 months prior to 65. They'll just automatically get their red, white, and blue Medicare card in the mail. They're like, why do I need Medicare? I already have Medicaid. I'm good. Medicaid is not good for primary care services. You can get more comprehensive benefits through federal Medicare. So in almost every situation, not always, you will want to add Medicare. Medicaid will often help pay for Medicare Part B and your other cost shares, your deductible copays. So a lot of people are nervous to get Medicare. They're like, I can't afford it. They see the premium for Medicare Part B. They don't know that due to their income level, they'll be able to add Medicare at no additional cost. Now with the changes in the One Big Beautiful Bill, the changes to Medicaid, we're expecting people to be squeezed off of Medicaid or to be squeezed to a lower level, in which case Medicaid might not pay for all the costs of Medicare Part B and the deductible and the copays. So you're gonna have to check your state, and you can easily go to the Medicare Savings Program. You type that in Google and then put your state, and it will bring up the requirements in your state to get Medicare Part B paid for through your state's Medicaid department. So now you have Medicaid and you have Medicare. You're not paying for either, you're happy. And people say, well, are you going to buy a Medicare Advantage plan? You're like, why do I need something else? I'm good. Medicare Advantage is a private plan that's designed specifically for people that are on Medicaid and Medicare. So you won't pay a premium to add it, and it will go around your Medicaid and your Medicare and give you some additional benefits you're not currently getting. Now, what benefits you get from your state Medicaid varies from state to state. The blue states might have dental, hearing, vision. Most of the red states won't. So I don't know how good Medicaid is in your state, but the additional Medicare Advantage benefits that wrap around might give you transportation to and from the doctor, to and from the pharmacy. With the price of gas, that's a nice benefit. Maybe you're too sick to drive, maybe you just don't like to drive. That could be nice. Some people go, well, my state has van service and it's free. Okay, well, you don't have to use it, but Medicare Advantage has lots of additional benefits that will vary by the plan that you buy, which is what's available in your zip code, and then it changes from year to year. 2024 benefits were not as rich as 2023, 2025, not as rich as 2024. See what I'm saying? It changes. So besides transportation, besides paying for dental, vision, hearing, your plan often, 90% of the time, will give you money monthly or quarterly to spend at the grocery store, to spend on utilities, on gas. Again, it varies by plan. Your plan might give you a lot of money, like $300-400 a quarter to spend at the pharmacy, shampoo, conditioner, Bengay, toilet paper, anything at the pharmacy that's not a prescription, alcohol, or tobacco. So that's very popular extra benefit. So we're calling people that have Medicaid and Medicare dual eligible. They're eligible for two different health cares. And because they have the dual eligibility, now they're eligible for a private Medicare Advantage plan that could wrap around both of them. Again, what's available is based on your zip code and changes from year to year. When you can enroll in it depends on a lot of rules in your specific state. So if you're on Medicaid and you're getting ready to turn 65 and you want help choosing a plan, understanding the lay of the land here, our help is free. We're licensed in all 50 states. You can book a free appointment online. Go to our website, themedicarefamily.com. The little yellow box at the top of the website. Click there to book an appointment. Tell us when to call you. We don't call anyone that does not request a call. We don't call strangers. We're not those people that are harassing people. We're a small family business in Indiana, but we're licensed in all 50 states. We have clients from coast to coast, so we know the rules in your state. We can talk to you about a variety of plan options in your state and explain to you how they would work with what you currently have. So again, if you need help, go to our website, book a free appointment. If you learned something in this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would give me a follow. Thanks so much. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.